in all weathers. What kind of holidays do you like going on? Are you a fan of the sun and the sea? Do you prefer snowy mountains in the winter? Or do you enjoy learning about a new culture abroad? Let's hear from 3 people who are having completely different holiday experiences.
Hey, I'm having a great time here in Australia. Today it's hot and sunny. Right now, I'm at the beach. People are sunbathing and there are lots of children making sandcastles. At sea, many people are surfing and a couple of people are water skiing too. Most people are swimming near the shore and some others are playing beach volleyball on the sand. It's so fantastic here. There are many activities to do and the weather is perfect. I don't ever want to leave.
Well, I'm having the time of my life. I'm at Shimbulak in the Zaili Alatau Mountains. It's a beautiful place and there is snow everywhere. It's freezing cold, but the sky is blue and the sun is shining. There is so much snow, so lots of people are skiing just now. It's too cold for me though, so I'm inside drinking a hot chocolate. I've got a skiing lesson in the afternoon though. I can't wait. It's such a wonderful place to be.
Hi, I'm travelling around Thailand on my holiday. The weather is strange here, but I'm having a wonderful time. It's warm and sunny today, but it's often cloudy and rainy. I'm thinking about visiting the floating market tomorrow. It's supposed to be a great place to experience. All the stalls are boats that are along the river. I can buy some souvenirs when I'm there too. Thailand is a really amazing country with so many places to visit. I love it here.
Which of these places do you like the most? Why do you think it's the right place for you to visit?